Your iPhone battery dying quicker than usual? Hi, I'm Andrew, a tech expert here at uBreakiFix, here to give you some tips and tricks on how to make it last longer. The most common cause when a customer asks me about why their battery is draining too fast is always going to be those back time running apps like social media apps. The second reason could possibly be the health of your battery. Now, we're always going to want to check that, and if it's below 80%, it's time for a replacement. This can be caused by the age of the device or how much you charge the device. Keeping it overcharged always at 100% will slowly deteriorate the life of your battery. There are settings you can actually turn off to make your battery life a little bit better for your iPhone called the BAR, the background app refresh. And what that's gonna do is those annoying social media apps that keep running in the background, it's actually gonna stop running those in the background like we talked earlier, saving you a bunch of battery life. There's actually a few common DIY tricks that usually backfire when attempting to slow down the drain of your iPhone battery. The first one is always going to be those battery saving and battery cleaning apps. Those actually run more processing power and is going to drain your battery even faster. The difference between habits and settings and your battery just needing to be replaced are a few simple things. One, if you overcharge your device, it could lead to battery swelling. That means the cells of the battery are being charged a lot quicker than they should be, causing the battery to swell and potentially even explode inside the device. The second one would be undercharging it, which means you're keeping it below a certain percentage all the time, and that causes your battery to remember that that's what it's supposed to be at. Your battery remembers where you charge things. The best ranges for charging are between 20 and 80%. It's normally time to replace your battery when you see it bulging off the back glass. But if that's not happening, just be sure to check the battery health every once in a while, and if it dips below 80%, it's time to bring it in. I have had a customer come in with a DIY battery swap gone wrong. They actually came in with a phone that was it had been on fire. The battery had exploded inside the phone when they took the back glass off and tried to take the battery out. Normally you should take the screen off to take the battery out. They had taken the back glass off to try to get to the battery and had punctured the battery, which caused the phone to explode, and the front glass was shattered from the impact of it. It was not salvageable. Normally when people try to do their own DIY and it goes wrong, the burnout of the explosion normally melts or damages certain components because it's a lithium ion fire. Normally those are put out by sand, but if they didn't have it in time like this customer did not, it caused so much damage that it had to be replaced. My golden rule for making your battery iPhone last longer, the first one is don't live on 0 to 100. You want to keep it between 20 and 80% of the battery health, and that can easily be changed in the settings so you don't overcharge your phone overnight. The second one, heat kills. You don't want to leave your phone in a hot car or charge it under a pillow. Heat is the most detrimental thing you can have to damaging your battery on your phone. And third and finally is the BAR, the background app refresh. By turning that off, you're going to save a lot of time and a lot of battery life by keeping those background apps not running on the back. Visit uBreakiFix.com or your local uBreakiFix by Asurion store for diagnostic repairs and more. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips about your favorite devices.